DeWALT just refined cordless efficiency in the workshop. Introducing the next generation of 18-volt XR Brushless Cordless Ratchets, engineered to conquer tight engine bays and heavy-duty fastening jobs. These brand new models bring more speed, more torque, and unmatched versatility to your trade kit. First up is the all-new 18-volt XR Sealed Head Ratchet. This is DeWalt's high-speed 18-volt XR ratchet yet, clocking a blistering no-load speed of up to 450 RPM, alongside a stout 67 Newton-meters of max torque, thanks to a groundbreaking interchangeable anvil design. You can now quickly swap between a 3/8 square drive, a 1/4 square drive, and a 1/4 low-profile hex anvil. 3 dedicated configurations, all built into a single, next-generation sealed head that keeps dirt and engine grime completely locked out. Need extra reach combined with impressive power? Meet the brand new 18-volt XR Extended Reach Open Head Ratchet. Featuring a specialized long neck design, this model gives you maximum access to buried fasteners. When you get there, it unleashes a massive 95 Newton-meters max torque to break the rusted, over-tightened bolts with ease. You get total control through a variable speed trigger, delivering up to 250 RPM, paired with the rugged glass-filled nylon housing designed to withstand the harshest workshop chemicals and solvents. Because they're built for everyday trade use, both of these next-gen skins include an integrated trigger lock switch to stop accidental activation in your tool bag, with easy-to-engage forward and reverse controls, and a bright built-in LED work light to illuminate dark workspaces. Both models are available now as standalone skins, perfect if you're already running on the 18-volt XR battery platform. Check out the brand new DCF 520N and DCF 513EN in-store and online at TradeTools.com. And don't forget to sign up to our weekly Serious Savings email to get all the best deals. Link in bio. So what's your take on these new models? Let us know in the comments.